Hello and welcome to PHS Maths. PHS stands for Problem, Hint, Solution. In each video I'll give you a problem. You can pause the video and have a go. If you're stuck and need some help, unpause the video and I'll give you a hint. Then pause again and have another go. Then I'll solve the problem at the end. Problem, hint, solution. Problem. Today's problem is some algebra. Solve the equation. The square root of 3x plus 10 equals 2 plus the square root of x plus 4. If you want to have a go at this on your own, pause the video now. Hint. Today's hint is to square both sides of this equation. Be particularly careful squaring the right hand side. Also, one extra hint for those who think they might have finished. Be sure to check your answers. Solution. As we said, the first thing we need to do is to square both sides. The left hand side, the square undoes the square root, so we're left with just 3x plus 10. On the right hand side, we do need to be careful to make sure we remember that a plus b squared is a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So on the left hand side, as I mentioned, we're left with just 3x plus 10. On the right hand side, the 2 squared gives us the 4. The square root of x plus 4 squared is just x plus 4. And then we've got twice the product of 2 and root x plus 4, so that is 4 root x plus 4. Then tidying up, I'm going to leave the 4 root x plus 4 on the right hand side and bring everything else onto the left hand side, because I'm going to need to square both sides again to get rid of this square root, and this just makes it a bit simpler. But I've noticed also that I've got a factor of 2 here, so I might as well divide both sides by 2. So I'm left with x plus 1 equals 2 root x plus 4. We'll now square both sides again. Be careful to square the x plus 1, put it in a bracket first. The right hand side we square the 2 to give us the 4, and the square root of x plus 4 squared is just x plus 4. Expand both sides and simplify by bringing everything to the left hand side. You end up with x squared minus 2x minus 15 equals 0. So there are several ways to solve this quadratic. I chose to factorise it because it factorises quite simply. You could complete the square or use the formula to solve this instead. So factorising, we end up with x minus 5 in one bracket and x plus 3 in the other bracket. Solving this then, we end up with solutions of x equals 5 and minus 3. Now I did mention previously to check your answers carefully. Substitute these into the original equation to make sure that they balance. Substituting x equals 5 gives us 5 on the left hand side and 5 on the right hand side, so that works. Substituting negative 3 in the left hand side gives us 1, and on the right hand side gives us 3, so that actually does not balance. So that's not a correct solution. So the only correct solution is in fact x equals 5. Okay, thanks for watching. Let me know how you got on in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be on geometry.